says that when es is added in a word, it is pronounced as is. We add es when a word ends in any of these sounds: s, j, s, j, and sh. We add es or s if the word already ends in e. Here are some word examples: bridge, bridges; prize, prizes; chance, chances. With words that don't already end in e, we add es. Kiss, kisses; box, boxes; watch, watches; dish, dishes. Let's see how these words can be used in sentences. He meticulously used the chances given to him to win some prizes. The girl was given some wristwatches and boxes as a parting gift. And with this, we've come to the end of today's episode. And as always, keep